Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Coro Coro Kuririn. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the hat. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve up and down on the left, and the same thing on the right side. Now from each end, let's draw a small curve out. And then let's curve it back down and in underneath. And then close it off with a curve across in the middle. Now to finish off the hat, at the top, let's draw a curve up. Then let's draw a curve up and bring it back down for the leaf. And that's it for the hat. Now let's add the ears. On each side, let's draw a small angle up. And curve it back down. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down and in on each side. And then a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside and let's draw 2 circles at the top for the eyes. And then another one inside towards the center. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now let's hop in between and let's draw a small oval for the nose. And color this in black as well. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's draw 2 curves out from the center here. And then a long curve down and back up underneath. And lastly, for the face here, let's draw 2 curves out on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 curves down and bring it in at the bottom. And then close it off with a line across. Now inside, let's draw a curve up and back down on the left, and the same thing on the right for the hands. Now in between the hands, let's draw the seed by drawing a curve up and back down on top, and another curve down underneath. And then inside, let's draw 2 long curves down like this. And that's it for the seed. Now let's hop out and draw the legs. On each side, let's draw an angle out. Then let's curve it down. And bring it back into the body. And that's it for Coro Coro Kuririn. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!